good morning. How are you? This is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. What day is it today? It's Wednesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Tuesday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Thursday. Super. And what month are we in? September. And yesterday was the first day of fall or autumn. Okay, and it's the 23rd. We're coming to the end of September. Only one more week left to go. Okay, here we go. Let's read the day together. Today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2020. Super, super. Okay, and how many letters are in the alphabet? Do you know? There's 26. And they're divided into two groups. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and a vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. Super duper duper. Okay. Should we say our poem? Our Indian child poem? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Who's that peeking from the teepee? Who's in that canoe? Who's that with the bow and arrow? Who has deerskin shoes? Who grinds the corn to make the cornbread? Who rides horses wild? Who can spear a fish in the water? It's the Indian child. That's right. Super good. You're amazing. So we were talking about the consonants and the vowels. And we know there's 5 vowels. And how many sounds do the vowels have? 2. That's right. The short sound and the long sound. And when it's the short sound, we mark it with the happy face. That's right. Can you read these for me? Apple. Elephant. Inchworm. Ostrich. Umbrella. Superty duperty good. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my flannel board over here. And do you notice that I have the consonant B that makes the sound B, B, B? Do you remember our friend here? There's Berry Bear. We can do ba, 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 ba. But what if we take our letter T and we take the ba right here and we put the T. So we say bat, bat, bat. We can make a word with a blend. Did you see that? You just read a word, bat. You know what a bat is? It's you hit the ball with the bat. Okay, and we can do it with another one. This is bit. You see bit right here? Oh, let me see. Trying to get it so you just see the bit with the camera. There you go, bit. And what if we put the t? There we go, bit. And we're going to put the t right there. Bit, bit. It's like a little bit. Did you see how we did that? That was amazing. Okay, now look. I want you to pause me and I want you to get your consonant B and I want you to get your vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Vowel disco. And I want you to line them up just like this. Okay, so pause me. Get your mobile alphabet that teacher Marcia lent to you. And I want you to line up the B at the top, B, and the consonants. The sounds are short sound, ah, eh, ah. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a blend, and you have to put the right vowel with the letter B. Are you ready? Here we go. Are you ready? Ba, ba. Did you do it? Did you get your ah? Ba, ba. Super. Okay. Let's see. Here we go. Ba, ba, ba. Did you get it? Did you put them together? What does it say? Ba. Super good. Okay. Ready? Listen. B, B, B. Get the eh. Did you get it? There we go. B, B. Super. You guys are amazing. Are you ready for another one? Here we go. Ba, ba, ba. Make the blend. What does it say? Ba, ba. Super. Okay, last one. Here we go. Ba, ba, ba. Did you get it? Put it together. What does the blend say? Ba. You got them all right. You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Let me move this over. There we go. And do you remember our other blends that we've learned so far? Who's that? That's Lucy Lamb. Can you sing with me? La, le, la, la. La, la, le, la. Good job. And who else do we have? We have Tony Tiger. There's Tony Tiger. He's our friend. Say hi. He has a yellow shirt and some green shorts. Okay, here we go. Sing it with me. Ta, te, te, ta, ta. Ta, ta, te, te, ta. Wow, you guys are great. Superty duperty good. And last but not least, first we're going to review our vowels. Okay, here we go. The name of this letter is A. It makes the short sound ah, as in apple. A says ah, ah, ah. The name of this letter is E. It makes the short sound eh, as in elephant. E says eh, eh, eh. What does the elephant say? Good job. The name of this letter is I. It makes the short sound I, as in inchworm. I says I. The name of this letter is O. It makes the short sound ah, as in ostrich. O says ah, ah, ah. The name of this letter is U. It makes the short sound ah, as in umbrella. U says ah, ah, ah. Those are our 5 vowels, okay? They were there. You saw the capital and the little ones. Super. Now, we're going to look at our consonants that we've learned so far. We've learned 3 consonants. We still have a lot more to learn, but we're making progress. The name of this letter is L. It makes the sound L, as in lamp. L says L. Tongue on the top of the roof of your mouth behind your teeth. The name of this letter is T. It makes the sound T, as in table. T says T, T, T. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B, as in bell. B says B, B, B. Very good. Superdy duperdy. Now, right here, we're going to look at our whiteboard and we're going to see if we can find out what letter comes next in our series of letters. Okay, do you see these letters? It says A, B, C, D. What comes after D? Do you know? E. That's right. So I'm going to write the letter E right there. A, B, C, D, E. Super. Okay, next one. F, G, H, I. What comes after I? J. Super. So we're going to write the letter J right there. Super good. You can do this with your mobile cards, okay? Get them in order. Do them, and you can find out which one comes next, okay? Here we go. K, L, M, N. What comes after N? Oh, yeah, super. So we know which letters come next in the alphabet. Superdy duperdy. Okay, and since we're doing our letters and sounds, we're going to turn to page 28 today. Okay, can you say page 28? And it says, color the picture. Okay, so we have some elephants and we have some giraffes. Yeah, hi, I'm really close to you. Should I go back a little? All right, I just wanted to make sure you saw the picture really well. And it's color key. So the vowels, A, right here, you see them? A, E, I, O, U. We're going to color. You get a little closer so you can see. Yellow. And the consonants, they tell you which ones. The T, the L, the B, the N, the M, the H, the S, and the C. We're going to color orange. Okay, so follow the color key really well. Recognize which ones are the vowels and which ones are the consonants. Okay, and that's our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow.